Hey Gary, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you to show you three quick things that I think you could do today to help bring in some more customers to your business. So a lot of the clients that I have that end up partnering with me usually start off sitting there asking themselves, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? But oftentimes in the world of marketing, most local business owners are too busy running their own company to learn about the internet and how it could benefit them in their company. So sometimes the only hesitation that they have is that they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. So I found that by giving business owners this free attack plan of actual things that you could do has resulted in them, throwing their hands up and saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Please do this for me. So if at the end of this video you like what you heard and want to see, what else I have up my sleeve to help you guys be number one across Google, give me a call or shoot me an email back and we can discuss how we can partner together. Or if at the end of this video you want to just take this information and go and do it all on your own, then you're more than welcome to do that. So first off, wanted to start out by saying, in Google's eyes, you need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page in order to be optimized. So after looking at you guys' site, I did a quick search. You guys have only 177 words on your front page. And your main competition, who's number one in the organic listings, Plumber Pro and Service Drain, they have 756 words. So a lot of content that you guys do still need on that front page to be optimized by Google. So next, wanted to talk to you about citations. And what citations are is, let me go back here to the maps. That's what citations help with. So in the maps, we have the NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so if you're sitting there asking yourself, how do you get ranked in the maps? I like to use a tool called WhiteSpark. And after doing a search for your business, you guys have 43 citations. And what that means is there are 43 other sites on the web that have your NAP, which is your name of your business, your address, and your phone number. Your main competition has only 38. So you guys are beating them on the citation aspect, but I want to still have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition in order to be beating them by landslide. And so the reason I like WhiteSpark so much is that you can click here on View Sources and it'll list out all of the citations that Plumber Pro and Service and Drain has. And even all your other competition out there in Athens. And you can just simply go into each one of their citations and then input your NAP, your name of your business, your address, and your phone number, and basically steal that that citation for yourself. So again, want to have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition. And so the last thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks. And we see that your site is not here after Yelp, which is a directory. Number one organic listing is the Plumber Service and Drain. And so you want to be at least number one or number two just to get noticed by pretty much anyone on the web. So going to backlinks, what that means is simply site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more tricky than that. So the link juice you obtain is a lot more effective when you have relevant sites pointing back to you. For example, if you have relative sites linking back, such as other plumbing companies or a plumbing distribution center, that's close to Athens out there, that would be more effective than having, a Pizza Hut linking back to you because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool called Ahrefs, and that shows how many backlinks or how much link juice that you guys have. You guys have 86 right now, which is a little bit of link juice, not a whole lot. And your main competition has 794 backlinks. So that's 794 relative sites that are pointing back to their site, giving them a ton of authority or a lot of link juice. So very beatable, but still need to have at least 100 to 200 more relative sites pointing back to you. So in closing, we talked about content on your front page. You need to have at least 1,500 words. You guys have 177. We talked about citations. You guys have 43, beating out your number one competitor, but still want to have at least 200 to 300 more citations than them. And then backlinks, aka link juice. You want to have more relative sites pointing back to your site. So you can take all this information that we just talked about, implement these strategies into your digital marketing strategy that you have right now. I mean, you could be number one across your Google, or if you want to take the most effective route, you could just give me a call at 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO, and my number again is 678-661-5695. And give me a call so we can, discuss how we can make your company better, increase more traffic and volume to your site. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.